In this video, I want to create a composition inside of After Effects using this folder of images. Now, the problem is some of them are vertical and some are horizontal. So I'm going to start by opening the folder inside of Bridge. With File open in Bridge, I can now select the images and rotate them in the orientation I want. So I'll shift select the ones that are vertical, and then I'll go up to Edit, and I'll choose Rotate 90 degrees clockwise. And I'm going to go through the rest of the folder and do the same thing for any of the images that aren't oriented the way I would like. And once I've done that, then I'll be able to go into After Effects with them and create the sequence. I've opened up After Effects, and now I'm going to import the images as a sequence. Going to File, Import, File, or Command-I on the keyboard. I'll select one of the images, and down at the bottom I'll make sure Create Composition and Import JPEG Sequence has been checked. I'll click on Force Alphabetical in case I've delete any of my images in the sequence. It'll kind of fill in for that. Now I'll hit open, and I've got all my images as one file. Now I want this to be running at 6 seconds, so I'll start by increasing the time of my composition by going to Composition Settings, or hitting Command K, and I'm going to set the duration for 18 seconds because we're going to loop it 2 more times. So I'll put in 1800 for the duration. I'll click OK. With the timeline selected, I'll hit minus on the keyboard to reveal the rest of the timeline. I'll select the clip in the timeline, right-clicking, holding my mouse. I'll go to Time Sequence, and I'll make the new duration 600, which is the equivalent of 6 seconds. Now I need 3 of these, so I can go to my project window, and if I was to right click on it, I can go to Interpret Footage, Main, and I will see down towards the bottom the loop sequence. I will make it 3, and now I'll drag it out to the length of the 18 seconds. So essentially what I have now is the video running at 6 seconds with 3 loops. And now all I would need to do is add my audio and export.